If your iPhone feels slower than it used to, don't rush to buy a new phone. I'm going to show you how to make your phone faster in minutes. No long intros, let's get right into it. First, you check your storage. When your storage is full, your iPhone tends to be slower. But you open settings. From settings, you click on general. And general, you click on iPhone storage. And iPhone storage here, you see how much storage your phone has occupied, right? Now, as you can see, this is it. It still has more storage. Now, if yours is up to 90%, if yours has occupied up to 90%, then your phone is most definitely going to malfunction. It's going to be slower. So what you're going to do is that you're going to delete apps or delete the files you're no longer using. You gotta sit down and actually clear files from your phone so as to make your phone faster. Yes. Now let me show you a secret thing to do if you don't want to delete anything. Let's say that you don't want to delete this app here. All you're gonna do is you're going to offload the app. That way the app is no longer occupying space on your phone, but all the necessary information, all necessary documents, all necessary data in that app are still preserved. Now this is how you do it. You just click on offload app. That's just it. Now this app is no longer occupying space on your phone. And if you want to restore it with all the documents and all the data in it, you just click on restore app. That's easy. So do this and you see your phone become way faster. Now the app is back. Just that. Next, you open settings. On settings, you click on general. General, you scroll down to background app refresh. Here, as you can see, background app refresh is turned off. Now, if yours is on, make sure you turn it off or you put it on just Wi-Fi, but it's always better you turn it off. The reason for this is that some apps tend to keep updating itself on your background, and this slows your phone. Lastly, go to settings. On settings, you scroll down to apps. On apps, you scroll down to Safari. Here on Safari, you scroll down and then you see clear history and website data, and you click on it, and then you see last hour today, whatever. Now you can say today, you can say all history. Now this might be small, but over time it actually accumulates, and then it makes your phone slower. So clearing it to make your phone work faster, and then you click on clear history. It's literally that easy, right? This is going to make your phone way faster. Do you understand? Try these 3 steps and you let me know if your phone actually go faster. You might actually not need a new phone. You'll be surprised at how just these 3 things are going to improve your phone speed. If you watched at this point, click the subscribe button below. Thank you for watching.